na nakakuha ng 97.5%.
Ay, point lang.
Yes.
0.5 lang, ha?
Is no other than Team Z-Bodies!
Z-Bodies!
Z-Bodies! Congratulations!
Your group will receive 5,000 pesos in cash from Mayor Francis Zamora.
Oh!
Trophy and free ticket. Wala ng poses. Wala na.
Alright, so once
Remarks?
yes, to officially end our program.
Yes? Tawagin na si Ma'am.
Congratulations, Z-Bodies! Maraming salamat po. Napakahusay, Ate Iya.
Yes, Mare.
And again, to